Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 4 unanimous strong buy stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Like I said, today we're taking a look at a few companies that have picked up nothing but buy ratings from Wall Street Analysts. We'll take a look at what these companies do, how they've been performing lately, and what Wall Street Analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Just before we get into all of that, I want to share with you an exciting new feature on the TipRanks website that just launched today. And I think many of you guys will like this knowing how many dividend fans we have out there. That is the new TipRanks Dividend Newsletter. Becoming an income investor has never been easier. The TipRanks Smart Dividend Newsletter comes out on a weekly basis and gives you the inside scoop on high-quality dividend stocks and all the reasoning behind those stock recommendations. Every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, you'll get a carefully selected high-quality dividend stock recommendation and a detailed analysis that provides transparency into our selection process. I'll have links in the description down below so you can read more about it and subscribe for yourself. Also, just a heads up that tomorrow I'm getting to fly overseas to meet up with the TipRanks team, so I will be away for a few days, but I promise to try and post some fun updates on here as well from the trip. Now let's get right into these unanimous strong buy stocks. First up, we have a company called GFL Environmental. Their stock trades under the ticker GFL, currently priced at over $36 per share. They have seen growth of 20% this past year and have been climbing steadily the last few months. GFL is an environmental services company. Their offerings include non-hazardous solid waste management, infrastructure, soil remediation, and liquid waste management services. They are the only major diversified environmental services company offering all of these services, strategically located with operations across Canada and the United States. They reported their most recent earnings report on April 27th, where the company came out with a surprise earnings profit. They reported Q1 earnings per share of 6 cents, which beat the estimates of a loss of 3 cents per share. The company also saw organic revenue growth of over 14%, resulting in revenue of about $1.8 billion, which was an increase of 28%. Following that earnings beat, we had several analysts increasing their price targets. The GFL stock currently has 9 analyst ratings. And of course, they all come in with a buy. The average price target of over $41 would be an upside potential of 13% from current prices. Looking at our list here on the low end, we do have an upside of over 8.5% and a high-end rating of over 20% upside. Next up, we have a company called Thermo Fisher. Their stock trades under the ticker TMO, currently priced at $516 per share. Now they have seen some more ups and downs this year, currently down 9% over the past year and about 6% over the last few months. Thermo Fisher provides analytical instruments, equipment, services, and software. The company operates through 4 different segments, including their life sciences solutions, specialty diagnostics, analytical instruments, and laboratory products and biopharma services. Thermo Fisher is the world leader in serving science, with annual revenue over $40 billion. Their most recent quarterly results came out near the end of April, and earnings were in line with expectations. But more recently, last week on May 24th, they hosted an Investor Day. They highlighted several things, including their industry leadership in an attractive and resilient end market, where they're expecting long-term market growth of 4 to 6%, their best-in-class products and services, and their proven growth strategy driving share gains. Following this event and their earnings, we've had 10 analysts reiterate their buy ratings. Now, some of them have slightly lowered their price targets, but those price targets do still allow for some sizable growth. With 11 overall current ratings all coming in with buys, the average price target is $645. That would be an upside potential of 25% from current prices. And we can see many of them here all within that 20 to 30% upside range. Third up, we're moving over to the medical world with ATRC. Their stock trades under the ticker ATRC, currently priced at $46 per share. Overall, they've seen growth of 13% this past year, but have seen sizable growth of 17% in the last few months. ATRC develops, manufactures, and sells devices designed primarily for the surgical ablation of cardiac tissue. They also have systems for the exclusion of the left atrial appendage. Its products include radiofrequency ablation pacing and sensing, cryo, left atrial appendage management, and soft tissue dissection. Their products are sold in approximately 60 countries around the world. They've served over 490,000 patients with ablations worldwide, and over 3,000 healthcare professionals have been trained. Their Isolator Synergy ablation system is the first medical device to receive FDA approval for the treatment of persistent AFib, and their ATRC LAA exclusion systems are the most widely used around the world. They reported better than expected results for their first quarter on May 2nd. Their Q1 loss per share came in at 14 cents, which was better than the 31 cents anticipated by analysts. Revenue of $93.5 million increased over 25% year over year. And following that, we've had 5 analysts reiterate their buy ratings. That strong buy rating comes with a price target of $58 per share, which would be an upside potential of 27%. And we have a bit of a wider range of price targets on this one. On the low end, we have a buy rating with upsides of 8%, and on the high end, all the way up at 71%. And last but not least, our fourth unanimous strong buy stock is Graphic Packaging. Their stock trades under the ticker GPK, currently priced at over $24 per share. Now, these guys have seen growth of 11% over the past year, but have kind of fallen off the last few months and are quite flat. Graphic Packaging provides paper-based packaging solutions to a variety of products, ranging from food and beverage to other consumer goods. Some of the world's leading brands count on their fiber-based consumer packaging solutions. Their products include folding cartons, food service packaging, trays, cooking solutions, strength packaging, machinery systems, and paperboard. With over 130 facilities worldwide, they're one of the largest manufacturers of paperboard and paper-based packaging for some of the world's most recognized brands. They've emphasized renewable, recycled, and recyclable materials. They reported strong quarterly results at the start of the month, with their earnings per share seeing year-over-year growth of 60%. Earnings per share of 77 cents came in ahead of the expectations of 63 cents per share. They also had sales of $2.4 billion, growing 9% year over year, and their adjusted EBITDA grew 38% year over year as well. And as you may have guessed, following that earnings report, we have Wall Street Analysts weighing in. The stock currently has 8 buy ratings. That strong buy rating comes with an average price target of nearly $32 per share, which would be an upside potential of over 30%. And looking at those recent buy ratings, we can see all of their price targets are above 20% upside, going to a high of above 50%. So there we have 4 stocks all coming in with unanimous strong buy ratings. Let me know your thoughts on these stocks in the comments down below and some other favorite stocks on your radar right now. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just keeping you up to date with what those Wall Street analysts are looking at and giving you some information and entertainment. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Don't forget to check out the new TipRanks dividend newsletter by following the links in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.